Welcome, it's Ryan Andrew with the Andrew Agency Insurance. We're an independent insurance broker serving clients in Virginia, Maryland, and DC. Once a week, we post a video to answer an insurance-related question to help you make a more informed decision about your coverage. Our videos are very short and right to the point. This week, I want to talk to you about cyber insurance. Now, I'm sure you've heard just about every other day about a data breach, a cyber attack of some sort to a very large corporation. I'm here today to tell you it's not just large corporations. Cyber attacks are occurring on a daily basis, mainly to small businesses. Cyber insurance is no longer nice to have or good to have, it's a must have for any business. You wouldn't think to not protect property that you own. You wouldn't think not to get general liability if you lease office space because your landlord forces it upon you. But your real exposure for just about any business has to do with online transactions, cloud-based services. Cyber liability insurance, again, is a must-have for businesses today. Now, we're starting to see most businesses that have purchased policies thinking that they have full protection, only to find out when a breach occurs that they do not. Cyber insurance is not a one-size-fits-all product. Just because you think you have cyber insurance, you need to constantly review the policy as situations change, as the insurance industry reacts to the marketplace to be able to continuously protect risks that come about. We're also noticing a trend where insurance companies, to reduce their exposure, are starting to issue policies with reduced sub-limits. So, for example, you may think that your cyber policy provides up to $1 million in protection. However, if you look at the policy, you're going to notice several coverage items listed below the top line item. The most likely culprit in this situation is something called social engineering. Social engineering is basically when you are duped into sending an email or sending information of another to somebody that is fraudulent. And that person either is able to obtain that information and sell it and or get into financial transactions of someone else, and you're at fault. Social engineering is a major situation today, and a lot of cyber policies reduce coverage for this type of incident. For example, if you have $1 million policy, what we're seeing is a sub-limit of social engineering of about 250,000, some lower than that, some are only up to 100. Some have excluded it altogether. This is just one example of about 10 to 15 where, again, the business owner thought that they had cyber protection up to 1 million, only to find out that there were several sub-limits reducing the coverage. Be very careful. Again, even if you have a cyber policy today and you haven't reviewed it with your broker in some time, please do so. There have been changes that just are occurring almost daily, and again, the insurance industry is reacting and adjusting and improving policies. So make sure that you talk with your broker on at minimum an annual basis to be sure that you have the policy that you need. If you have questions about cyber insurance, business insurance, or any other type of insurance, we'd love an opportunity to talk with you. Our phone number is area code 804-320-2886, or feel free to check out our website, theandrewagency.com. Have a great day.